Oh my gosh! It's a 30 subscriber special. Do 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 do. Quick, Zach, let's go to McDonald's so we can get Happy Meals to unbox.
That's a good idea.
All right, let's do that now. I didn't do this in post. Bye, Zach. I'm going to though, because I gotta get burger. Burger time. Mom, can I has money for college? Nope. Actually, burger time like boss. Fixie. Fixie. Is Zach from Binder video. We're in McDonald's. I'm gonna have to buy 6 Happy Meals. E.
No. They're gonna choose yeah. I mean, I think this is probably gonna be the last time. That'll be it. I'm not sure. This is a hard choice. Excellent. Yes.
Mission accomplished.
Yes.
We're gonna go find somewhere to open these.
Operation Happy Meal is a go.
Chalky milk. Wait. Yep. What?
How'd he get over there? Jacob!
He's scared. Gotta go get him.
Jacob, are you okay? You hungry?
I'm hungry.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Can I have one? Thank you, Jacob. So nice. Oh. Oh, thank you. He's growing up so fast. Hey, look at that face. He's thin.
Yeah. Let's unbox some Happy Meal. We've got to eat all of these now. We got 6 boxes. I specifically asked for a different toy, as you saw, so once we get to the bottom with where the toy lies, we'll cut back. And we got ranch. Ranch is good. Ranch.
Yum.
I finally... I finally finished. Except for the except for these 4 bottles of chalky milk I'm gonna drink
Good.
in a second. Eat, as the kids say.
Yo. Oh, there it is. I thought it was farther out.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, you don't throw very far.
It's ranch. How am I? Do you expect me to throw ranch?
Yeah.
All right, whatever. I hate myself with a burning passion right now. Bottle 1. Bottle 2.
I have my own.
Bottle 3. Seriously regretting every decision. Ever. If I vomit, we have to get it on camera.
That's true. Vomit out your window while you're driving.
Bottle 4. I seriously regret every decision.
You okay?
Because every no, I'm not. Because every decision in my life
Has
I've made
led up
up
to
until
this
this point
moment.
has led to this moment.
You can do it. I believe in you. The viewers believe in you.
All right, there we go.
You did it. For all 30 of your subs, you did it.
Oops, this
Congratulations. It's official.
I would
He
love
has
to
30
start
subs.
I would love to start unboxing the toys right now, but I don't feel the best, so
We'll do that
I'm gonna.
after this short infomercial.
Zach, do an infomercial.
Buy OxyClean. It has clean. I watched like half hour of Billy Mays last night because he died and I was sad. Even though he died 8 years ago.
Rip our boy Billy Mays. Oh no, dude. Uh-oh. Unfortunately, we are gonna have to move around boxing because some little punks are being very loud.
Stupid heads.
Gotta clean up our garbage now. Save the environment. Don't pour oil into the Gulf of Mexico. Turf pickle. Turf pickle.
It's the bait.
Zach, pick up the turf pickle.
What am I doing?
Pick it up. Put it in the garbage bag.
It can't hurt you anymore, Jacob.
Thank you. It's green screen time, baby. Green screen.
Oh, nope, still rolling.
Green screen. I don't know how well this is gonna work. The floor is green enough, maybe.
Not you
This was a bad idea. I don't work well when I eat too much. And I eat too much. Green screen.
Alright.
Let's do this.
Ooh.
Box number 1. We have Shopkins Cutie Car. Second series, it looks like. Dang. If we had first edition, the value would go way up. We got one cute car. One cute cars, plural.
Yes.
Whatever. This
Do you need some muscles?
Nope. Nope. So how does this toy work? As you can tell, we got stickers!
Yes! Quality. If you want, we could sell some.
Maybe.
It's gonna be a lot though.
We could pretty me up.
That's true.
We'll pretty me up later. For now, we can pretty up this car. I thought these were individual stickers, but it's just one thing. I guess you're supposed to put it on the door. Maybe that's what the thing told me to do. Will Smith, tell me this is hot.
It's
Right.
hot.
No. There you go.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
That's hot.
Quality.
Quality content, baby. That's what we're all about.
Mm-hmm.
My hands are turning very purple.
Now that you got 30 subs, the quality's gonna go way up.
Heck yeah, subs indicate quality. @ T series? I don't know. Toy number 1 done. How much time we got? Because I know we don't have a lot of time.
5-ish, 3 minutes.
3?
3.
Okay. We got the same toy. Even though
What?
Even though I specifically requested different toys, we got the same toy. Finally, we got a new toy.
Woo.
This is a dragon. They trademarked the word dragon. Is that allowed?
That is,
Can I just go through the dictionary and trademark any word I want? Anyway, we got a Monster Jam dragon, and this one looks like it has stickers as well. So we can pretty it up quickly. Now my throat is dying. Like me on the inside.
Do you need a fry?
Yeah,
It was on the ground.
I know. I saw you pick
On
it
the
up.
blue thing.
I know, I saw. Ooh, $1 off any Spin Master Monster Jam diecast vehicles at participating locations. Collect them all.
We could also sell this on our new
On our new Patreon.
website. Yeah, Patreon. If you Patreon us $100, you get this and one of these cars.
Alright. I'm gonna.
Probably less though.
What?
Probably less though. It's probably gonna be like $5.
That's a true
You
statement.
get a car and $1 off your next monster truck
Diecast vehicle.
diecast vehicle.
Who would actually buy something? Well, some people actually enjoy this sort of stuff. I mean, hey, why not?
I do.
That one goes right there. This one goes here. Ooga booga. Ooga booga. Booga baiga, I'm a tiger. Rah. Alright, next toy. And we got
The same one?
We got the same one. We got some of Zach's fries he didn't eat.
Sorry.
Can't unbox those. We got the same one. We got yo.
Alright.
Got it. I'm
20
disappointed.
seconds.
Transition. Ooga booga, I'm a cougar.
Yes.
Cut.
How do you feel, Baco?
Did you
Jacob.
actually? I hope you're not actually. something to the camera. Haha, he told me this. Zach told me to say something to the camera. Not yet. Wait till I actually get up and start talking.
No, we have to record you walking up there.
No,
Operation Meal. Wait. Yep.
You really?
Yeah. He's scared. You gotta go get him.
Switched views. How do I switch it back?
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Is it rolling? I think so.
Yes.
You know, I shaved this morning and I went from looking like a hobo to a poorly shaven hobo. That's it.
Nice way of putting it.
Yeah, it's good.
Hey, what's up, my bros? It's the end of the video. I didn't record a formal ending, and I would do something like sit behind a green screen, but that's lame. Basically, I would just tell you like and subscribe. I had fun making that video, and I know we're at 35 subscribers now.
Oh my
That's a little awkward. There goes Incineroar. That was a crazy battle. Like and subscribe for more foot action. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Lucas, what do you have to say? I don't care. Your parents are dead.